How to create a simple budget, even if you're broke. If you feel like your money disappears every month and you have no idea where it went, you're not alone. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a budget problem. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple budget that actually works, even if you feel like you're broke. Because before you save, before you invest, before financial freedom, you need control. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. That's it. Nothing complicated, no spreadsheets required, no financial degree needed, just a simple system. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking budgeting means restriction. It doesn't. Budgeting means awareness. It means knowing what's happening with your money, and that changes everything. Here's the first step. Know how much money comes in every month. This is your income, your paycheck, your side hustle, any money you receive regularly. Let's say you make $2,000 per month. That's your starting point. Now, step 2. Know where your money is going. This is where most people get surprised. Rent, food, gas, subscriptions, coffee, random online purchases. Little things add up fast. Write everything down, even the small things. Especially the small things. Because small leaks sink ships. Now, step 3. Separate needs from wants. Needs are things like rent, groceries, transportation, and bills. Wants are things like eating out, impulse shopping, and things you could live without. This step is powerful because most people think they're broke, but often they're just leaking money. Now, step 4. Use the simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and future goals. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just gives you structure. For example, if you make $2,000, then $1,000 goes to needs, $600 goes to wants, and $400 goes to savings, debt payoff, or investing. Simple, clear, actionable. Now, let's talk about beginner mistakes. Number 1. Making a budget and never checking it again. A budget only works if you look at it. Even once a week helps. Number 2. Trying to be perfect. You don't need a perfect budget. You need a realistic one. Number 3. Ignoring savings. Even saving $50 a month matters. Small consistency beats big intentions. The goal is not to look rich. The goal is to become financially strong. Budgeting is how that starts. Not with more money, with better decisions. The main idea is simple. If you don't control your money will control you. A budget gives you power, and power creates freedom. In the next video, I'll show you how to save your first $1,000 faster than most people think is possible. Because your first $1,000 changes everything.